Hi there, amazing students. Are you ready to take on every day with a clean, fresh vibe? Learn easy tips on how to stay fresh and clean all day in school as you follow on. Simple ideas to help you stay at the top of your game, no stress, no worries. Let's get started. Morning habits matter. Start your day good by taking a refreshing shower. It's like depressing your body's reset button. Start your morning out pleasantly by using your favorite body wash or soap. Choose the perfect deodorant. The scent of a quality deodorant should not be underestimated. Select the one that works best for your body and keeps you feeling energized all day. Look for your go-to friend roll-on, spray, or stick. Wear comfortable clothing. Comfort is essential when it comes to outfit. If there is no air conditioning in your classroom, wear clothing that breathes well. Comfortable clothing keeps you cool and feeling fresh. Bring a minor hygiene kit. Get ready. Pack a little hygiene kit in your bags. Include a travel-sized deodorant, some wet wipes, and maybe a tiny bottle of fragrance or perfume. It's an essential tool for a midday pick-me-up. Continue drinking water. Remember to drink water. Not only is it beneficial to your health, but staying hydrated also keeps you feeling young. Drink water from a bottle that you always have with you. Your body will be pleased. Lunchtime cleanup. Spend a minute cleaning up after lunch. To get rid of any traces of food, wash your hands and face. A tiny effort may have a significant impact on your feelings. Taking care of your hair, a little comb or brush may be quite useful for people with longer hair. During breaks, giving your hair a short brush keeps it looking nice and makes you feel closer together. Take breaths. You must have clean breath. Carry in your bag a pack of sugar-free gum or breath mints. It's a quiet way to achieve breath freshening without taking focus on yourself. Select breathable shoes. Your choice of shoes is important as well. Choose breathable footwear to avoid moisture buildup. Clean feet represent a cleaner you. To provide an additional layer of comfort, think about including an extra pair of socks in your bag. Be aware of your backpack. Surprisingly, your bag may help you stay fresh. Regularly wipe it out, cleaning out any forgotten food or gym clothes. A more orderly and cleaner day starts with a backpack clear of dirt. Quick bathroom check. Check yourself out in bathroom for a quick overview before you proceed to your next lesson. This is your opportunity to make sure everything is set up and take care of unexpected issues before they show signs. Utilize face mist's potential. A little facial spray has the power for change. In addition to refreshing your face, a simple spray between breaks gives your day a lovely boost of freshness. To make yourself feel better, choose for a light, refreshing scent. Make your study area less attractive. Your study space is important while you're hitting the books. A perfectly organized and clean area encourages a new vision. If you can, open a window to let some fresh air in while you do your work. After school exercise routine. Think about starting a brief workout routine after school. It might be a flow of yoga, a dancing class, or a brief workout. Exercise ensures that you finish the day feeling refreshed in addition to boosting your attitude. Mental refreshment, equally essential. Remember to keep your mind fresh. Between your studies, take short breaks to help you relax. Your ability to focus can be greatly improved by a little meditation or even just going outside for some fresh air. Plan your meals. Include healthy and fresh substitutes in your food menu. Foods high in vitamins and minerals affect your mood throughout the day in addition to overall wellness. A healthy body is a young body. Take new pictures. Quit capturing some new inspiring moments. A collection of happy memories, such as an amazing sunset, a blooming flower, or a humorous meme, can boost your spirits whenever you need it. Laugh a lot. A natural mood booster is laughter. Laugh whenever you can, whether it's with friends, when watching a funny video, or just having a pleasant time. In addition to making you feel wonderful, laughing refreshes your day. Refresh during the night. As the school day comes to an end, think about making a quick visit to the bathroom to refresh yourself for the evening. A little spray of water on your face can help you feel refreshed for any after-school activities. Keep these initial guidelines in mind when the school bell rings to maintain your energy and confidence. Remember to subscribe for more informative stuff. Keep fantastic, keep fresh until the next time.